we don't collide with a helicopter. And yes, we did. And no, we did not collide with a helicopter. Otherwise, we would end up in Alex Trebek's locker. What is the Valley Vikings?
Football.
Oh yeah, I love football. Don't crash land. Hey, there's a Best Buy and a Five Below and a Ross and a Party City. And it says no fee until we win. And we're landing and we're landing and we're landing and we're landing. Getting closer. We're getting closer and closer by the moment, by the minute. By the minute, by the moment.
Oh boy.
Sir, by the minute, by the moment, by the moment, by the moment, by the moment. Closer. We are closer by the minute, and finally touchdown! 24 points scores to the Chaseville Retrievers, and that is the end of the football game. Go Golden Retrievers!
Oh, she wrote.
Phew! I thought I was going to have a heart attack at that moment. Maybe not. I have those ones. Phew! I gotta. The top.
Welcome to Las Vegas. The local time is approximately 12:08 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and keep the aisle clear of carry-on items. You are now free to use your mobile phone, and use caution when opening overhead compartments as items may have shifted in flight. Thank you for flying with Breeze Airways today. We've enjoyed having you on our flight, and we hope to see you again soon.
And that is that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.